All right. I think you guys are all starting to know her. I'm already obsessed. Dana Whitten. Dana Whitten is a family attorney. She is a super lawyer named by Bethesda Magazine as one of the top attorneys in the DC region. If you are getting divorced, you've got to call her. Call Dana and hire her before your spouse does. Okay. She's that good. dwhittenlaw.com is her website. You can check her out. But today, Dana, you're here because I love these topics. People are thinking about, especially this holiday season, they're getting divorced, but there are 4 big things you need to do to prepare for divorce. What is number 1?
Number 1 is to absolutely hire an attorney. You want to be as organized as possible, and you want someone who can support you and guide you through the process and to let you know what to expect. So you should hire an attorney.
100%. Tell me, you had a list of a couple things to ask or to look for when you're hiring so you know you're getting a good attorney. Now, number 1, they need to call you. But if for some reason they're not in our region and they can't, what are those questions they should be asking?
You should be looking for an attorney who's a good listener, an attorney who can provide you a customized approach to your case. You want to also consider whether the attorney is an accomplished litigator or whether they're a mediator. And usually you want somebody who's both. You also want to make sure that your attorney is a dedicated family law attorney, as opposed to somebody who dabbles in family law and criminal law and contract law. It's important that your attorney know the ins and outs of family law.
Oh my God, those are so good. Those are so good. I think those are things people don't really think of when they're going into a meeting. You know, they feel like, will this lawyer just take me on? I need to hurry. But you got to really do your homework. That's so good. Tell me about number 2, organizing your finances is big.
That's really important. And that's a crucial step that will help your attorney also be organized for your case. So you want to pull 6 months, I would say, of your bank statements and credit card statements, 6 months, or at least a quarterly statement of your retirement plan information, your 401ks, IRAs, and at least the past 6 months of pay stubs as well. And so that's how everyone can be organized and be on the same page.
Oh my God, I love it. Number 3 on your list, make a list of property. Tell me about this, because I never would have thought of this one. Personal property, right? And what do you mean by like what things? Like, are we talking our cars? Like, can both of our names be on it? Tell me about this.
You should go through your house and make a list of things that are important and valuable personal property. And that includes everything from real estate to furniture, to little trinkets that you value, just in case things happen to go missing. You want to be able to have that list available. And taking photographs too is also a good way if you don't feel like making a cumbersome list. That's helpful as well.
I have no plans to get divorced from Schman, but should I take a picture of KJ as well? Like, are your kids your personal property? Oh, by the way, Dana, these are my 3 children.
I would hope you already have photos of KJ.
I do. We're covered. Number 4 on the list. By the way, these are so good. Dana put together a list of 4 things to prepare you for divorce. This is the season. After the holidays is when most people call Dana to file for divorce because we've all had it. What's number 4, by the way? This is a good one too. Changing your power of attorney and your beneficiary. I'm assuming like in your will and everything, right?
Yes. So a lot of people have life insurance policies and they name their spouse as their beneficiary. They have 401k accounts, bank accounts, everything. So you want to make sure that you change the beneficiary designation from your spouse to somebody else, like your children or your parents or a trusted friend. And also, if you have filled out any estate planning documents, you want to change the power of attorney so that your upcoming ex-spouse, if that's the route you're going to be going, is not in charge of you with personal property decisions or medical decisions as well.
Oh my God. Dana, these are so helpful. I feel like in a nutshell, you just consolidated everything we need to know to get started.
I think so. I hope so.
That's what you're here for. Guys, you are already, we are hearing from many of you. Many of you are calling Dana. She is taking on new clients though. And right now she is offering a 60-minute consultation for just $150. Normally it's $300. This is a great opportunity for you to have Dana's one-on-one attention for an hour to get everything in order so you can start living the life you want in 2023. I mean, that's what I love about you, Dana, is like you've said, you help so many people get that freedom that they want and begin to love their life again.
It's time. Don't wait for 2023.
That's right. It's time. Call her now. You can go to her website, dwhittenlaw.com. All right, Dana, you have a fabulous holiday season.
Thank you. You too.
We're going to see and hear more of you on the podcast in 2023.